In this video, I am going to be giving you 20 niche idea that you can start using for your automation. In case you are new here, my name is David Kendi, and I've been into YouTube automation for about 2 years now. Got about 8 monetized YouTube accounts, and everything I'm about to say in this video are from my personal experience. So let's get to it. Number 1 is finance niche. And in finance niche, number 1 thing you can do is you can start talking about side hustles idea. If you are a creative person who understand how to use side hustle to make money, you can start using AI to create content about them. I saw a video recently online talking about how to move money without the government suspecting, in quotes, embezzlement, doing the video. And these things are realistic things that you can do, and it's getting a lot of engagement and a lot of view. So if you really know about side hustles and you know that, okay, this thing can give you money, start doing that in finance niche. Number 2 is passive income automation. If you know about any passive income websites, you can start creating content on them. And then you can also start making money with AI tools, like telling people to sign up with a particular tool you are using. So you make a review about a tool, and then you tell them to go and buy it with using just your referral link or using their referral link. So you can start creating content with. And mind you, there are a lot of AI tools in the internet space currently that can help you do that kind of business. Then in the educational niche, you can start talking about Tech Explained Simple. This is actually a YouTube name. I'm just giving you the idea. Tech Explained Simple. So you can start talking about viral components that people use every day that they don't know how to use further. And then you can talk about history facts, talk about what has happened in the past. Then you can also start talking about global billionaire stories like Elon Musk, his early story. You can talk about C. Ronaldo, what he was doing before he made the money. And trust me, with the help of ChatGPT, you can help yourself create table of content even for like a whole year, and you are never going to burn out creating this type of content. Then another thing is you can start talking about African culture documentaries. See, let me tell you, this content, it mostly reach the American audience. The reason why this is because they believe that African has a lot of culture. And if you start revealing the culture using your AI video, just to explain how the culture affects this side of the Africa men, you can start making a lot of money and start getting a lot of views from there. And if you are wise enough, you can start creating group. You take them on tourism, and that is double money for you. Another thing you can also start creating is motivational niche, which is number 9, Christian motivational niche. You can become a pastor. You get online, maybe bad boy offline, just preach the word of God, motivate people with Bible. I have a channel that does that. So what I talk about in that channel is just, I use harsh words combined with pampering words to motivate people. And then another thing you can start doing under the motivational niche is discipline and self-improvement. Example of that is this channel and also this channel. So they talk about self-improvement, discipline, how you can improve your creativity. Then you can also start talking about business motivation. You can start using some business people that have lived before us. You can start using their voiceover to create your own content while you use visualization to display what they are trying to explain. Example of that is Mike's Moron. So you can use his voiceover to analyze or explain a particular concept and just use AI video to explain that concept that is referring to in that video. People are getting a lot of view, and mind you, he has a lot of audio playbooks that you can get on his website, and there's no copyright strike on all of his content. And some of other people like that, we have some in China, we have some in Indonesia, we have some scholars in Pakistan that are no longer alive, but their clips or their audio are still very, very much. So just do your own research. And if you want me to do research for you, well, I have a paid community, a monthly paid community where we educate ourselves about what is trending in the automation niche currently and how you can get yourself plugged in and start creating content before it goes viral. And it's just a monthly subscription. So in case you are interested, you can use the link in the description to get started. So let's continue. The next thing you can also start talking about is gym motivation. You can start using some popular gym instructor that are no more alive. You can start using their voiceover, or you create their own sense of motivation to create content for people just to inspire them to go to gym, work on your body. This niche, they go viral very, very fast. And another thing you can also start doing is lifestyle niche. Yeah, a lot of people like to spend and lavish life. So even in this niche, you can start putting an affiliate link under your description. More of this is going to be discussed in my paid community, where we talk about all of these things and how you can get these referral links or affiliate links. Then number 13 is, which is still under the lifestyle niche, is the celebrity biography stories. People are not really doing these things. Yes, I've not seen anybody started this niche with automation. We only have few people who are talking about their story, more like criticizing them, but nobody is really talking about their story. Celebrity stories, day in, day out. If you can start creating celebrity biography stories, bro, people are going to fall in love with your content, and they are going to start making money. And this is a very good high-end RPM or CPR niche that you can make money from. So in case you are interested in my monthly community, you can use the link in the description to get in. All of these things I'm saying here, there is more in my paid community. So the next one you want to start talking about is, which is number 15 niche, is top 10 places to travel to in Africa. This is more like a documentary story. So people that are doing this type of content, like Tayo Aino, is really into this storytelling of country-based story where people can also visit. So nobody is really doing it much in Africa. Some of the people I've seen around, they're only reviewing billionaire houses and what they do for a living. So the last one, or the last set, is entertainment niche. You can start talking about true crime stories. Someone like me, I love it because it relates to what I study in school. So you can also start talking about mystery unsolved cases. These are very critical or technical issues that you can see online, either friction or non-friction. ChatGPT can help you generate content around this thing. And with your thumbnail set well, based on the explanation I'm going to be giving you in my monthly paid class, you are definitely going to understand this particular niche very well. And then another thing is powerful real life stories. These are stories that are very powerful. Take for example the story of Jesus Christ. Is a very powerful story, and even up to today everybody is still watching content that is related to Jesus Christ. So if you start posting about the story of Saul in the Bible, or let's say you start posting the story of the richest man in the world that's dead now in the Bible, either in the Bible or of the Bible, based on history, people are going to love what you do. Like, they are going to fall in love with whatever that you do. We can also be talking about relationship psychology. Yes, talk about sex content. People love it. If your content is educational and they are very, very entertaining and rich, people are going to watch your content and even subscribe to, even want to learn more. And I can teach you all of these things, my paid monthly subscription group, and you can use the link in the description to sign up. Then the last one is life lessons from successful people, either friction or non-friction. You can make it look as if you are with them and ask them some of the questions you feel like people want to ask. People are going to watch your video from the beginning to the end, and this is going to help you earn a lot of money from the YouTube automation niche. With all of these things I've said here, you should be able to carve out the niche you really want to go into. Even though if you are confused, you should be able to know that, okay, this particular niche is what I want to start doing, and this is what I'm going to keep to, where you are going to get your resource from, and where you are going to start creating clips, and where to get your B-roll. All of these things are online. And if you want me to help you, you can join my monthly subscription class and we'll pick it up from there. This is the end of this video. In case you have any question or you want me to talk about a particular topic, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. See you. Bye.